Hi there! So are we ready to cook? Okay, let's begin with a small tip for today. Think green and eat green. Nice. Well, I was thinking, why don't we make green papaya salad? Sounds interesting. So you can say maybe the preparation time would be about 10 minutes. Doable? So let's get started. Today I'm going to dance and cook, you see. Dance away your corona stress. Today's special is papaya. Papaya salad coming. Don't these look like little eggs which are going to be hatched? So we'll continue the dance later. This is the papaya which is cleaned. Now I'm going to grate it. So grate it on. There. So I finished the best part of the whole preparation, that is grating. It was a good workout, that's what I love about it, to get nice sexy arms. So you want sexy arms? Great move. Good tip. Well, today morning I was making yummy sandwiches and I had extras of bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, red peppers, then green chilies, green peppers, onions and tomatoes. So I'm going to throw all of this into the bowl. So now I'm going to add this green paste, which was also used for the sandwich, which gave an amazing flavor. Yeah, so coming back to this, this paste includes coriander, pudina, green chilies, a little bit of onions, a little bit of green peppers and yellow pepper, sauteed for a little while and then make a fine paste. So voila! So I have all of these and now I'm going to add in the papaya to it. Now I'm going to dry roast the peanuts for the final seasoning. Now this is my favorite part, is mixing it all together. The aromas of the raw papaya salad. Adding some salt to taste. Squeezing in half a lemon. So now comes the best part, adding the roasted peanuts. So here is the yummy, delicious raw papaya salad. Now time for tasting. Wow. Spicy, tangy, sweet, crunchy. You're awesome, Shruti. The best part about eating salads, it's light and it's in a meal by itself. So enjoy your day. Have a fabulous one. I'll come back to you all soon. So hope you all like my video. If you like it, please do share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.